Transform any image into your own custom coloring book page with the magic of Nano Banana. Today, we're diving into Nano Banana's powerful tools to unlock your inner artist and create stunning coloring pages, perfect for printing or digital fun. First things first, let's bring in the image you want to convert. This could be a photo, a drawing, or even a digital design in Nano Banana. You'll find intuitive selection tools to isolate the area you'd like to transform. Now for the magic. Nano Banana automatically detects the edges and forms a clean, crisp outline. Think of this as the blueprint for your coloring page. You can play with different outline styles to get the exact look you desire. Want bolder lines for a classic coloring feel, or finer lines for intricate detail? Simply adjust the line thickness slider. This control is crucial for how your final coloring page will appear, whether it's for thick markers or delicate colored pencils. Nano Banana also allows you to simplify or enhance the details if your original image is very complex. You can smooth out the textures to make it easier to color. Conversely, if you want to preserve more intricate patterns, you can keep the detail high. Once you're happy with your outline design, it's time to optimize. Nano Banana offers export options for both print and digital use. This ensures your lines are clean, a consistent color is applied, and your page is ready to be brought to life with your vibrant imagination. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start coloring your world with Nano Banana A Circumflex Euros, the ultimate tool for personalized coloring adventures.